Yo, what is up? Um, been a couple days, got the cold, but I've been trying to. I got this Stator a little bit ago. I know the stock one that comes with the bike is a five coil Stator. I got an 8 coil Stator. Supposedly more coils is better. Came to be like $25. But let me see if I can get this thing out with the little wrench. It's all I got. I gotta take the seat out in order to get the little wires. So I'm gonna see if I can do that real quick. Should be this. The Stator wire should be this one. This single cable, which is this blue one, and this connector right here. If anything, the top dead center mark right here. Should be this little T right here. Gotta line it up with this little thing right here. Should be okay, just in case. I haven't done one of these, but I've seen a couple of videos where they line the top dead center when they're doing things with the engine, so I'm gonna do that just in case. Found me a good breaker bar. Dirty. We can wipe it down. Got a little 14. Take the little nut off of this. The center nut off the. I forgot what this thing is called, but the housing thing. Found this little hubs with this. So I'm gonna give it a try. That was like $15 on Amazon. That was a clutch tube thing. I got the little flywheel thing. Now you get this and pop that out. Make sure you hold the clutch in. Centerpiece is should be a 17, but only got an 18 right now. got the magnet out. Got the flywheel out. This would be the stator. That'd be a 5-prong. It's an 8-prong also. It's not looking too bad actually. It doesn't even look burnt, which I thought at least a coil or two would be burnt because it didn't want to start. The last time I turned it on, it just completely burned out. There was no signs of it being the starter that I know of. So I left the starter alone. I'm starting to second guess myself now because the stator looks pretty good. I'm gonna just go ahead and replace it, and that's how you replace the stator. I was seeing online, be careful with taking this out and taking this out just because you don't want to mess it up. I kind of messed it up already, and this should all fit a line just like this. The wire that comes up on top goes to the top, aligns. These little holes aligns with the holes right here. And this little magnet sensor. Make sure the grommet goes in first. The grommet thing. Little sensor goes in first. Little sensor. Should be just like that. Now let's replace it with the new one. It's not better, but you can work with this. Looks about right. Got a little access right here. Tuck that in behind the other wire so it doesn't hit the flywheel. I think we call it good. Make sure it doesn't pinch because that's gonna cost a lot. Or just pull it in through a little loop right there and pull that rest of the way right through. This should disappear the little slag. That should be it for this part. Besides putting it all together, I'm gonna try to figure out how to wire this and put the rest back. So I kind of figured out the wiring. So the top dead center has somewhat to do with it. Forgot there's a little key that goes onto the shaft right here. Luckily it didn't fall off. It would have been hard to find up in these little rocks. I forgot about that. I just remembered it, seeing it right here. That slides onto this little pulley right here. Turn it by hand, tight as you can. Right now, that's all I got. One thing I was looking at was this. Let me go exchange these real quick. I think it'll be easy. I don't want to cut anything. But it's right here. Pull it that way.